Thank you for tuning in. Today we'll take a quick look at the subscription box TACPACK for August, the upgrade 4 of 4 box. TACPACK is a monthly mystery box subscription service that offers different levels of boxes at different prices. I subscribe to the standard level at $75, including shipping and taxes. This is the most I spend on a mystery box subscription plan. Up first is a nice rifle bag by OST, the Gray Man. I like the gray color, and my son has a rifle this will be perfect for. It measures 36 by 12 by 1.5 inches and will fit most suppressed 14.5-inch AR-15 rifles and many 16-inch AR-10s. It retails for $50 on the OST website. Next is a SureDraw holster dock kit. It's made to secure your firearm and holster discreetly at the office, home, or auto. It has a universal mount for any hard shell holster and installs with industrial strength adhesive or screws. Not bad, but just not my cup of tea. It retails for $30 on their website. We also have a large folder by SOG, the Aegis Drop Point 2.0. So I'm not going to open this one up as I'll be adding it to my store on my website. I'll post a link in the comments section, or message me if you're interested. The knife retails for $42 on Amazon. Last, we have a nice 9mm cleaning kit from Real Avid. I don't have a dedicated 9mm kit, so this will come in handy when I don't want to lug around my big one. This one retails for $22 on Amazon. And we have a Gandalf sticker with an AR and some nogs. But we all know Gandalf just needs his staff. Overall, the retail value for the box comes out to about $140. So just about double my price with the shipping and tax. The SureDraw holster dock system just isn't my thing. And although the SOG knife looks great, I won't be keeping it. TACPACK will be one of the subscriptions I'll be keeping. So thanks for watching. Stay frosty and take care.